What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Dreame X30 Ultra. This is Dreame new high-end flagship robotic vacuum cleaner with features like mop extend with robo swing technology, 8300 Pascal Vormax suction power, and an all-in-one care and maintenance base station. I'm definitely excited to check out this new vacuum. Big shout outs to Dreame for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Right up front, we've got a little ramp that connects down here at the bottom of the base. We've got our two mop pads that connect to the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. We've got our side brush. We've got our power cord. Okay, it did come with a cleaning brush for cleaning the vacuum, and then it even has a little hook and knife down here to clean the tangle-free brush as well. This did come with a bottle of detergent. Here we have the robotic vacuum cleaner, and here is the base station. So of course, this comes with a dirty and clean water tank. This also comes with an auto empty dustbin. New to the X30 here, you do have a self-washing base system. So this is going to self-wash not only the mop heads, but also it has scrapers to clean the actual base station. That way you don't have to worry about any bacteria or odor. We'll go ahead and attach the mops here and the side brush and take a closer look at the system. Right here on the bottom, you've got your two rotating mop pads that also apply downward pressure, and this does the mop extend, which we'll look at that more closely later. You've got your side brush up front, your floating tangle-free brush in the center. You've got your anti-cliff sensors all around the edges here. On the front, you have your AI action system here. So this is going to be able to formulate a smart cleaning plan. So whether you have hardwood floors, tile, carpets, whether they're low pile or high pile, this is going to be able to determine whether it needs to totally get rid of the mop pads, raise the mop pads, or actually mop the floors. It can determine all of that intelligently. You've got your LiDAR navigation system up front, obstacle avoidance. There's a large dustbin here as well that auto empties into the base station. And then you've got your home button, power button, and spot cleaning button there on the top. The first thing that really stood out about the X30 Ultra was just how simple and easy it was to set up. So getting this added to the application and connected to Wi-Fi was very easy. And then all I had to do was fill up the clean water tank. Right next to the auto empty dustbin, there's another smaller tank where you can add water and cleaning solution. It automatically mixes that in the water for the perfect mixture. And then you just send this out to make its first map. So this does have a quick mapping. It goes out and makes the first map of your home in about 10 to 15 minutes. A lot of other vacuum cleaners on the market have to go out and clean several times over the course of several days to formulate a complete map. This is able to make a complete map in just a few minutes, which is definitely a standout feature. One of the main reasons that you would consider the X30 Ultra over other robotic vacuums out there is the proprietary mop extend with robo swing technology. So with mop extend, this actually has a little arm on the mop and it can extend that out all the way to the edge. This does include an advanced edge detection. So when it detects that there's baseboards or furniture, it's going to extend out that arm and get super close all the way up to the edge. A lot of vacuums on the market, just simply because of the way that the mops are designed to kind of follow behind the vacuum cleaner, they miss the edges by, an inch or two. This is able to actually extend out the mop and get all the way up close to the edge. With the addition of robo swing technology, this is actually able to swing the mop even closer and actually go under low furniture and appliances. So you're actually able to get even under those appliances and furniture thanks to the mop extend and the robo swing technology. These technologies together allow the X30 Ultra to reach as far as 4 centimeters into low gaps. If you're concerned about cleaning up the edges, this is really the only robotic vacuum cleaner that's able to mop all the way to the edge that I've tested. The X30 Ultra is also the only robotic vacuum solution that includes a self-cleaning base station. So not only does this auto empty the dustbin, not only does it auto wash the mops, but the base station actually cleans itself. So you'll notice underneath the tray which cleans the mops, there are some actual arms that can scrub the base station. That way you don't have to worry about debris collecting and causing odors or bacteria. This is able to clean the base station itself. The way this works is really cool. You'll notice in the center of the mop washer, there's a little wheel. That wheel is turned by the mop pads, which also turns the scrapers, and that's how it's able to clean the station. Not only can the base station clean itself, but this is one of the most effective mop washing stations that I've seen. This actually uses hot water up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit to clean the mop pads. Every other base station that I've seen on the market uses cold water, and there is a major difference when it comes to actually sanitizing and cleaning those mop pads. Once the mop pads are clean, this blows warm air on the mop pads for 2 hours to make sure that they're nice and dry. So not only is the base station clean, the mop pads are also clean and dried. That way you don't have to worry about bacteria and odors. So this is a 6-in-1 station, and it does include the auto empty dustbin so that you get hands-free cleaning for up to 75 days with that 3.2 liter dust bag that's included right there in the base station. On the back side of the base station, you've got a 4.5 liter clean and dirty water tank. So this can automatically refill the tank on the robotic vacuum cleaner. That way it's able to dampen the mops as it cleans. When it returns to the base station, it can clean the mop pads and dispose of the dirty water into the dirty water tank. The base station also automatically adds the perfect mixture of solution of water so that you can get all the grime and gross spills off of your floors with the addition of that cleaning solution that's automatically added. When it comes to suction power, the X30 Ultra has the strongest suction power out of any robotic vacuum cleaner that I've ever tested, with its included 8300 Pascal Vormax Suction. It didn't matter if I was cleaning hard surfaces like my tile or my hardwood floors, or if I was cleaning my low pile carpets or my high pile carpets. This vacuum cleaner was powerful enough to suck up any debris that I threw at it, whether that was coffee or if it was rice or cereal. No matter what the spill was, this was able to clean up the mess. Maintenance on this is incredibly easy. All you have to do is refill the clean water tank, empty out the dirty water tank, and then every 75 days, you just need to replace the dust bag. Super easy and super simple. The anti-tangle tri-cut brush automatically cuts and transfers trapped hair to the dust bag for smooth brush maintenance. You no longer have to worry about taking the vacuum apart just to remove the hair from the brush. And you never have to worry about cleaning out the dustbin on the actual robotic vacuum cleaner because the Dual Boost 2.0 is able to empty that into that auto empty dustbin with no issues. This is definitely one of the smartest vacuum cleaners that I've ever used. It is able to intelligently plan the cleaning process. Using an advanced environment sensing AI algorithm, the X30 Ultra can customize its cleaning plan for the unique layout of each room, floor type, furniture placement, as well as your preferences. With the Pathfinder Smart Navigation, you get fast and accurate mapping, 3D mapping, and path planning to make sure that this cleans every square inch of your home and that it's able to do that efficiently. With the included AI action and 3D obstacle avoidance, this can identify up to 70 or more different types of objects, including shoes, electric cords. With the ultrasonic carpet recognition, this knows when it approaches carpet. With the mop detachment mode enabled, it will continue to clean all the hard surfaces, and then when it's time to clean the carpets, it's going to return to the base, ditch the mops, and then go back and vacuum your carpets. If you have lower pile carpets, you can use the mop lifting mode, which is able to lift the mops 10.5 millimeters so that it doesn't come in contact and cross-contaminate on your rugs while it vacuums. With the carpet avoidance mode, this will totally avoid the carpets and stick to the hard surfaces for cleaning. And you have two carpet cleaning modes. The carpet suction boost performs a single pass over the carpet at higher suction powers, and the carpet intensive cleaning performs 2 passes at a lower suction power, ensuring that you get all your carpets clean. The X30 Ultra utilizes a built-in color detection mode that can sense the dirtiness of the water, and if it senses that the water is dirty, it can actually activate the re-clean mode, so it will go out and re-clean and re-mop those dirty surfaces. As you can see, the Dreame X30 Ultra is definitely one of the most advanced robotic vacuum cleaners that I've ever tested, and especially with those features like the mop extend and robo swing, that 8300 Pascal of suction power, and the smart cleaning strategies, this is definitely going to be a hard robotic vacuum cleaner to beat. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick yours up today and find out more information about the Dreame X30 Ultra. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.